Hey, what's going on, guys? I guess it's the first video of the year. I guess it's been a while. It's been probably over a year. Been very busy, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I bought a new house about 8 months back. I don't know if I said that in my last video. I just don't remember. And today I got a gasoline truck with a check engine light. Let's see what we got here. 12,000 miles. There you go, check engine light. So let's do this. So this thing that we're having, this lockdown, it's definitely slowed us down tremendously. We had to let go at least half the workforce, or half the technicians here. Mostly the service advisors and lot porters are pretty much gone. You know, people that are expense, not a producer. So there we go. Let's see. I'm sure it's different everywhere. California is pretty bad. Like if you go to Wyoming or the Midwest, I'm sure you guys are probably already back to work. After this month, I think everything should be going back to normal. Lockdown in Los Angeles is until May 15th. So let's see. I'm in Riverside County, which is next door to Orange County, part of the Inland Empire of Southern California. So we are still locked down. We gotta wear a stupid mask. I got mine just below my mouth so I could talk. It's really hot. It's been 90 to 100 degrees easy. See the 10 freeway right behind me. So alright, come on. Let's see what codes we got. I pretty much checked this one out already. We have codes for O2 sensor heater circuit, 1, and an overspeed, and I don't know what that is, strain angle. So I cleared it, and of course you got to do your visual inspection. So I already did it in the front, as you can see, and this is a rental company, little dump truck, and so I told my helper just to take a look underneath. As you see, there we go. I don't know what happened. I just think that maybe a dog came by, chewed it up or something. So crazy shit. Look at that. It's pretty bad. I don't know if they squished it when they put on the hydraulics on or something or whatnot, you know, for the bed. This is the O2 sensor, so that's probably why I have to check engine lights on. I got the okay to go ahead and do the wire repair. That should be fun. So that's that. As you can see, it's been altered. So they probably pinched it, or dog or something, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. It's definitely not warranty. So on another job I got a complete engine. It's pretty cool. Took this one down. Cylinder walls were just gone. No hatch marks or nothing. It's out around. I think something got in the fuel system and just took it all out. There's all the pistons. I had to take this thing all the way down. Crank sitting right there. So we had to tear it down first. It was an aftermarket company. They wanted us to take out the take out the upper oil pan, so we had to take out the transmission first. So I got it sitting over there. Now I got to put the engine and the trans back together. I don't know how I want to do that. Think about putting the trans in first or not. Just slap the engine in and then just put it down and pick up the truck again and put the transmission in. So no easy job. And of course, oh yeah, that's the one. Fucking bolts, man. Other than that, been hanging in there. Catch me guys on Instagram. I'm more on Instagram than YouTube, obviously, but I'll definitely get something going for you guys. Possibly remain on this one, wait for approval. So, well, waiting for my Senior Master 2020. Ever since this pandemic, shipping and receiving has been very, very slow. Other than that, got some more broken shit. Snap on. Focus. Yeah. Broke on me. Look, I got it out. I'm not. Oof. That would have been a pain in the ass. Here's my mat for my guns. I mean, my laptop. Other than that, just working hard and hopefully we get back to normal and get ready for summer, because it's already here. It's hot. It's like 90 something degrees. All right guys, catch you guys next time.